recrystallization of copper salts. So this is copper nitrate and sulfur in here. And it's interesting to me because the recrystallization is taking a different shape than it had before. When I first noticed that the crystals had formed, the shape was different. But then I made a YouTube video with this where I applied a little bit of heat for a short period of time to see the reaction, and then I took it out of the heat. And now this morning I've checked it, and it seems like the crystals are taking a different shape, a different form. This is what it looks like. I think perhaps because I added heat, I had it in a sand bath on a propane burner in a visionware glass pot, adding a little heat for a bit. It seemed to make a change. I believe copper salts are toxic, so not for consumption. Do not try this at home. But what I'm basically trying to do is dissolve the copper back down to its ions, and then reformulate new atoms with sulfur as the nucleus. That's what my experiment is geared toward here. I want to bond the copper ion to the sulfur as the nucleus, and then recrystallize, let it, formulate new atoms through recrystallization. So hopefully the new substance will be a crystal. But definitely, I would say that because I applied the heat for a short bit of time, that it looks like it made some kind of a change. I've seen similar crystal structuring in previous experiments where I had only sulfur in the glass and used heat. So I'm thinking there may be some interaction here between the copper and the sulfur. Maybe some type of bonding is slowly occurring. The sulfur is definitely acting different. These are little pellets of sulfur, like whoever made them, what company they came from, maybe formed them in a press or something. But I noticed over time, as it was in the glass with the copper nitrate crystals and some liquid left over from the creation of the copper nitrate, the little sulfur pellets absorbed the liquid, and they thickened up. They got thicker. So they definitely imbibed with the liquid, but now they're clumping up. You see, before they would move around. If I turned the glass, those little sulfur pellets would all move around. They'd be all over. They'd be up on the side of the glass and stick to it. They'd be all over the place, but now they're clumping up. So it looks like there's some changes in here. This crystal formations looks, like I said, more similar to the previous experiments I've done with sulfur alone, which I did not put on YouTube. Maybe I'll recreate those and put them on YouTube at some point. But it looks like it's a cross between the I want to say it looks like it's a cross between the sulfur crystallization I've seen in heat and the copper nitrate salt crystallization that I've seen in the cold. It's like I'm thinking it looks like a hybrid cross between the two. This is Alchemy of Stephen's School. I have a couple websites if you want more information. One of them is philosopherstonealchemy.com and the other is stephenschool.com, and they both have links to each other. And also, if you want updates, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then if you want, you could tap the bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded. This recrystallization looks interesting to me. I think that recrystallization like this could be a long, slow process, perhaps eventually culminating in the dissolution of elements and the coagulation and recrystallization of a new substance. Thank you for watching. This is Alchemy of Stephen's School. Have a nice day.